Damn, we've been busy at Pete and Pedro doing some pretty cool things that I just want to real quick share with you today. Number one is the rewards and loyalty program. All right, so if you like free stuff and you're a customer at Pete and Pedro and you're not signed up, you're totally missing out on getting free stuff, because the way that it works, when you place orders, when you buy stuff, when you share socially, you're going to earn points that you can actually redeem for a lot of really cool stuff. So if you're not signed up, sign up today. The second thing we've been boosting up, gentlemen, is our advice section on this website. Pete and Pedro wants to be your resource for amazing information. We all could use a little help from time to time. That's how I kind of got started doing what I do on YouTube. It was to help guys feel better and look better and be more confident. Guys, if you haven't checked out the advice section, we've got blogs, we've got how-tos, we've got charts, we've got infographics, we've got a ton of stuff that you might not have checked out that could potentially help you be better, kick more ass, and look amazing. Number three is quizzes. We really doubled down to make sure that we could help you the best that we can. And one of the things that we've done in order to help you is develop a quiz to help you choose the best product. We also have one for which shampoo is going to be best for you or your hair. And we recently launched the fragrance quiz. Guys, they're not only a lot of fun, they're going to help you choose better products. Number four is, in my opinion, one of the coolest things that we have done over the course of the past 7 years, and that is the build kit, all right? One of the things that was lacking from a lot of websites that sell grooming products is helping guys develop a routine and a system. Well, we decided to challenge ourselves, and what we came up with is what we call the build kit. It's going to walk you step by step through a series of questions to help you choose and develop the best product grooming routine for you. And last but certainly not least, the fifth really cool thing that I'm excited to tell you about is our ambassador program. You may have noticed over my illustrious career that I've promoted a few brands, maybe a few more than a few. Anyway, the way that it works, I promote products that I love. I talk about it, I share it with my audience, people go, they check it out, they love it, they buy it, and I make a commission on these sales. Gentlemen, if you want to do the same thing and build up your network, not to mention your net worth, I highly recommend you join our ambassador program. It's simple, it's easy, no strings attached, because that's the whole thing. Being an ambassador myself, I know what to do, I know what not to do, and I didn't want to make a program that sucked or that was hard or complicated. It's simple, it's easy. If you love Pete and Pedro, we would love to have you talk about our amazing brand. Gentlemen, speaking of love, we love you and couldn't do any of it without you. Thank you so much for being a part of our Bueno hair journey. Continue kicking ass, being amazing, and thank you once again for just being awesome.